Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from RAS Cloud Technologies. First of all, I welcome you all to Snowflake DBT and ADF batch number 15, session number 1. Thank you so much for joining session today. So before starting the session, I'll just give you a 2 minutes introduction, and then we'll start the session. Okay? Yeah. So let me start with our website directly. So we have a website, rasinformatica.com. This is our website. Okay. So I'm just showing you now like how to access the recordings and material, and how to just check like our uploaded videos and everything. I'm going to show you now. Okay. So before that, let me give you some introduction. So yeah, if you just scroll down, this is our home page. If you just scroll down a bit, you can able to see here the software trainings that we are offering right now. We are offering like generative AI, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, artificial intelligence with machine learning, cyber security and ethical hacking, Microsoft Power BI data analyst program, GCP professional certification training, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, Python full stack development, Python for data science, Python for AI and chat GPT, Salesforce and AWS and DevOps. These are the courses that we are offering right now. Just above this section, there is a upcoming free live session section is there. So whatever the free live sessions are available from RAS Cloud Technologies, all these lectures are available here. So you can just click on join now and you can get the link. Okay. Yes, apart from this, we have many interview questions available here, many materials available here, internship programs are also available. Okay. So if you are looking for any of these things also, you can just like visit these interview questions, materials and everything. Okay. Yeah. So just let me show you how to access the things here. So how to log into the portal and how to access the things, let me show you here. So this is our website, rasinformatica.com. So in the right top corner, you can able to see, in the right top corner, you will be able to see sign up with Google buttons, right? Just click on this. Just click on this. Okay, so you will be able to see this. So don't use this email ID or password section. Okay, don't use this. Always use sign in with Google. Always use sign in with Google option only. Got it? Yes, just click on sign in with Google. Okay, it will, you see, if you have already logged in, see, I have logged in with these many mail IDs. That is the reason why it is asking me from which account I wanted to log in. If you haven't logged in with your mail ID, so it will ask you to give your mail ID and your mail ID password. So I'm just like selecting my mail ID. This is my registered mail ID. Whatever the mail ID you have given at the time of registration in the RAS Cloud Technologies, you please use the same mail ID only. Okay, just click on that. Just click on the mail ID, then you will be logged in like this. There is a students option here. So before logging in, there is no students option. After logging in, I'm getting this students and logout option. Go to students, go to enrolled courses. This will be your page. Okay. This will be your page. In the enrolled courses, as I am the admin, I have all courses access here. But you will be having only Oracle and this one, Snowflake DBT and ADF online training session batch number 15. Okay, just click on this. Just click on this 15th batch. Okay. So see, I logged out actually. Automatically it was logged out for me. So if you logged out, you can see here in the top corner, it will be like just only materials, internship programs, courses. That's it. Okay. Again, click on sign up with Google. Sign in with Google. Close the ads. If you get any ads, just close it. Select your account. Select your account. It will be logged in. Okay, select your course. Like once after coming to this page, enrolled courses page, click on sign Snowflake. Click on Snowflake. Okay, you can see start learning and complete course. As we are starting the session, I starting the course. Just click on start learning. Just click on start learning. Left side you can see session 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. Okay, so what we have did is we have uploaded the first 10 classes recordings already here. Okay, so as many people are completing these Oracle classes, Suhasni, please don't do anything on the screen. Yeah, just give me a second. Yeah, disabled. So we have already uploaded the first 10 classes recordings here. You can see here. You can see here. Okay. So what we are going to do now is whatever the classes we are completing here. Today is the first session, right? So here already first session is there, but this is from previous batch. But this is from previous batch. So what we are going to do? So this is a 14th batch session. Okay. If you can see here, this is a 14th batch session number 1. So now what we are doing after completion of this session, today's session, we are going to replace the session here. We are going to replace the session 1 here. So how to find out the replaced sessions? After replacing, we will be renaming here. It is session number 1 right here. S01 it is. But after uploading the latest session, it will be renamed as session 1 introduction class or session 1 like account creation, like that. It will be renamed clearly with the session content. Got it? So this is the video. Below the video itself, you will be able to see the material also. Below the video itself, you will be able to see the material also. Got it? So this is how we are going to access the material and the videos. So if you have any questions, you can message us in the chat. If you have any questions like how to access the material and the recordings, you can message us in the chat. Okay, so our regular timings are evening 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. This is our timings actually, 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. So from Monday, like we'll be having the regular sessions Monday to Friday. So plan accordingly. So as of now, like we have given enough time to complete these Oracle classes and to watch the Snowflake sessions as well. So from now, so the schedule is started and you will be having the continuous classes from Monday. If you have anything left, please complete it on Saturday and Sunday. Got it? These are the 2 days you have now. If you haven't completed your Oracle, or if you want to watch the future classes, you can just like log in and you can check it out. Please try to complete like whatever the pending things are there. So you just complete it on or before Monday. Okay. From Monday, surely we are going to have the regular classes from Monday to Friday. Got it? Yes. So before handovering the session to Sai Sri Garu, I just like want to show you one more thing as well. I just like want to ask you to like subscribe to our YouTube channel too. We have a YouTube channel as well, Raz Informatica, Raz Cloud Technologies YouTube channel. Okay, if you just go to YouTube and if you can just see, search for Raz Informatica, you can find out this Raz Informatica real-time hands-on job-based training. This is our YouTube channel and we have 36,100 plus subscribers here already. And we uploaded more than 493 plus videos here. Okay, so there are videos related to many technologies here on Power BI, Azure, Generative AI, Snowflake, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, Cybersecurity, AWS DevOps, on many courses. Like we have uploaded like many videos here. So just visit our channel once. Just visit our channel once. If you like our content, like the video, comment on it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Okay, and our Instagram page as well to get the job updates. Okay, to get the job updates. If there is anything, any job updates are available, if there is any referrals are available, surely we will be posting here. Okay, surely we'll be posting here in our Instagram page. So just subscribe, just follow our Instagram page as well, so that you'll get all your updates. Okay, whenever we start any new batches, whenever we start any if there is any walk-ins available, everything we will be posting here. Okay, in the stories you will be getting here. So you can just follow our channel so that you can get the complete updates too. Before handovering the session, I just like want to take you all your names and WhatsApp numbers. I hope like I have added all your people to our WhatsApp groups already. Okay, so I hope like everyone is there in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so to just if you haven't added yet, please drop your name and WhatsApp number. If you haven't enrolled to the course yet, you can just drop your name and WhatsApp number so that you will be added to the Snowflake batch 15 group as well. Got it? Yes, I have just shared you the name and just like share me your name and WhatsApp number over Zoom chat so that like we can start the session. So that like we can start the session. I'm just giving you a sharp 2 minutes break, sharp 2 minutes break. So complete it so that like we can start our technical session. So that we can start our technical session. you'll get today's recording as well. Okay, so even if you haven't enrolled to the course, if you want to get today's session recording and material, drop me your name and WhatsApp number so that I can help you with today's session recording and material as well. The chat option is available for everyone. You can keep posting. I can see people from different country as well. So if you are from different country, please post the number with your country code. With your country code. Yeah. Okay. So today is the last day. Today is the last public session for everyone. So if you haven't enrolled yet, so please complete your enrollment today. Today is the last public session for everyone. From Monday, only the enrolled candidates will be joining the class. Okay. Sai Sri, over to you, please. Thank you.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining. Good evening, guys. So from today onwards, we can go with our technical session. Okay. So I know previously few people joined in my demo. I showed you how the account will be there, but I didn't go too much. I mean, in depth level of the account information and account creation also. So today I'm going to cover. So today, whatever the steps I'm doing for account creation, you can after completing the session, you can also create your own Snowflake account. Okay. So plan accordingly. Coming Monday onwards, we have session, right? So completely we'll work with our Snowflake account on it. First of all, Snowflake account have 30 days free trial. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. This is a free trial account for us. Okay. 30 days free trial is available for us. Okay. So if you want, I'll give you the link also. See, you can try now also, but generally, okay. If you will get documentation also, you don't need to worry on this. So actually, guys, we have Snowflake account, not only Snowflake account, completely our course all required I mean cloud platforms are all are free for us. Free means free trial accounts are there. We will sign up with the free trial only. You no need to pay 1 rupee also for our account creations. Okay, it may be AWS, Azure, Snowflake, DBT, anything. It's a free only. Okay, but coming to Snowflake mainly, it have 30 days free trial account. Only 30 days. After 30 days, what will happen means account will be expired. If you use or if you don't use also, it will be expired. Then next, what I want to do means using the same email ID. Now my email ID, for example, I am using Snowflake Training 48 from so many years back. Started using this account continuously. I am using the same email ID. So every sign up, it won't expect new email ID. You no need to worry on that. Same email ID you can use and you can create multiple accounts. Today only you can create 10 accounts using same email ID. No problem in that. Okay. So email is one email ID will help you to create multiple accounts for Snowflake. Only for Snowflake it is applicable. Don't go with other clouds platforms, only Snowflake. So one email ID, again, if the account is signed up, you can go, you can use another, you can create another account and you can reuse that. That's it. So every time account expired means you have to create new account. Suppose not only 30 days concept, for example, they are giving 400, 30 days free with 400 worth of usage. $400 worth only they are providing us. Suppose within 15 to 16 days, you done a lot of work and okay, and you done a lot of work and it come $400 worth of credits or usage is completed within 16 to 17 days or 10 days like that. In that case also your account will be expired. So days completed also it will be expired, dollars wise also it will be expired. Okay, both you have to think, both level it will be expired. So any case it expired means you no need to worry, you have to create your fresh account. Then SaiSri, if I create fresh account, all my table creations, data load, all will come into that account means no. Again, that is from scratch level only. Okay, so don't expect that. If you want, if any important tables you want to save that, you can download the files from Snowflake, but your work cannot continue from where you left there, you cannot continue. You have to do scratch creations. Okay, so free for us, no need to have any cost for this account creation. Then after that, account setup in real time, actually frankly speaking, in real time you won't get a chance to account creation process, because how you, if already you're working in IT, so generally I'm saying who is working in IT, they knows that you are using Outlook, right? You won't create Outlook for yourself, you are the user added into company's Outlook, that's it. So already the company will have Outlook account, in that as a user you will add. Okay. Same like that, Snowflake also one company account will be the Snowflake account, particularly for that company they will create. In that company, you will add as a user. That's it. So in real time, don't expect Snowflake account creation. That 200%, 1,000 times, I mean, 1,000% I'm giving guarantee. There's no chance of account creation. For your practice purpose only, you have to go with account creation. And email ID. Email ID is very compulsory and very important to give correct email ID, because this email ID only will get the activation link, and that is the reason you have to take care about email ID creation. Okay, means if you give wrong email ID, it won't give any activation link. You won't cannot activate your account. That is the reason email ID is perfectly you have to give. If you miss, again you have to create the scratch level. There is no option. Okay, sign up. Why you are sign upping? Just small information they'll ask you. Just to mention others also. That's enough. Continue. This is very simple steps, very easy steps, right? Now we'll come to the picture. Now coming to the company name, any company name you can use, because Snowflake is not expecting your company email ID or company name, your personal details. You no need to give any company. I didn't work with TCS. Still shortcut that I'm giving TCS. You can also give any company name, no problem. If you give wrong name also, it will accept just some name. After that, job title. What job title? You can give any job title. I'm developer, so just I'm giving developer. Okay. This is also our personal choice, no problem. Because anyway, we are not doing all this in our real time, right? For practice purpose account creation, we no need to worry on this. Then coming to editions. Who attended my previous class already explained there something. Again, I'm repeating a little bit on this. We have in Snowflake, we have editions only. Generally, if you go with Python or any other cloud providers, you will have versions. Am I right? You won't have editions, you will have versions. So here we are following editions. That is the reason you won't get any information like data is updated. Sorry, you have to upgrade your account like that. Nobody will say. In Snowflake, nobody will talk about the version upgrades only, because we are completely working on the edition. Okay, so the addition means I see some future newly added tomorrow, for example. Then how means if you are already using one edition, that edition is a Snowflake company is adding one future to that edition means automatically it will available in your account. So every time for new changes, new updates, you no need to upgrade your account. Okay, that is not compulsory, not required 100%. Nobody will upgrade your accounts. One time creation, that's it. Automatically, every change will be applicable on their addition basis. That's the reason lot of benefits are there for company also. We won't miss any new changes, new upgrades of the Snowflake account. Okay. And then in this edition, what types we have? Just a minute, I'll have water. Just a minute. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Then okay, editions. What editions we have? How to decide? These all questions you'll get. Generally, if I say a genuine thing, what happened in projects means we won't choose editions also, because who will have the power to choose all this means client. Client only will have power. Nobody are ready. I mean, nobody have power to choose all in this information. Okay, why client only will have power means he is going to pay the amount for Snowflake, not we. Okay, we are also like kind of vendors. Client is going to pay for a account, client is going to pay for employees. So you who is the owner, they only will decide. Then the single person will decide means not actually it's a teamwork. High level teamwork they will do. Okay. For all developers they won't discuss. Very high level, and they will take as a team decision. Okay, so what basis they will take as a team decision is they will think about their business, their applications, where it is existed, which cloud providers they are using in the project, what is their future expectations, like this, what is their business, like this, all these points. So a lot of, I said few only, lot of things they will cover. According to that they will decide which edition is best to use. Okay, so we have three editions. Okay, standard edition. It have standard edition is also good, but it have basic features. Advanced level features are missing in the standard edition, right? So when it is missing the advanced level features, it is missing the advanced level features, right? So that is the reason standard edition is not much actually. Nobody are using in real time, because everybody will look for advanced features only. They won't look for basic, right? That's the reason. Standard edition, you won't see standard edition related accounts only actually. Okay. Then after that, Enterprise edition. Enterprise edition is the very popular. If you observe, for most popular, they only mention because multiple people started using a enterprise edition. Okay, why enterprise edition is important or why it is popular means, yes. Let me go with the businesses. Okay, suppose we are the clients. Okay, we only clients. Okay, we have business. We'll think about our first step is data. Data should, what is our data? Suppose person A is working about the e-commerce data. I am working about the shares data, money related. For example, who is working with e-commerce? His data is not sensitive. His data is important. I'll agree, not sensitive. But coming to my data, it's sensitive because it's about my amount, figures of the lot of clients, customers related amount, right? So, which business will be like critical? My business, because of shares, data, all this. Why his business is not important? Yes, it is important. But the problem is here, his business is e-commerce, right? Data security part is not much. He no need to worry about data security, all this. Okay, that's the reason. His data, his business is also important. My business is also important. But based on the data comparison, my data is more security, required more security. I have some, I mean, because of this amount related to transactions, all will be there, right? Sensitive data. My data is sensitive data comparing to his data. So, whose data, which client is not having or handling the sensitive data, they will go with the enterprise edition. Who is handling the sensitive data, they will go with the business critical. Both editions have time travel, multi-clustering warehouse, metallized views, all concepts, whatever you are saying, all, because if you see standard, right? If you see standard place means all these features added plus these extra features. Here also, if you observe business critical, right? The enterprise. So enterprise plus means all these features added plus again extra security is provided. Why business critical is means enterprise don't have security means wrong. It is also having security, more security. Some more extra charge it will do. Means some more extra payment will increase. According to that, security also will be increased. Data protection will increase because of sensitive data. Okay, that is the only difference between enterprise and business critical. So that's the reason sensitive data projects will be less. Enterprise related projects will, I mean, large scale projects, large scale industries, plus normal, not non-sensitive data. People are using a lot of Snowflake, right? So that's the reason it became popular. Both have same priority, same concept, same everything will be same. Only to handle the sensitive data, they're giving extra efforts. That's it. But that extra efforts cost also will be extra. Okay, like that, their business team will decide. It's not a small decision because and what will happen, Saishri? Enterprise is okay. Let me go with business critical means payment will increase. Your data is increasing means your cost of the users also will increase. So if you're choosing business critical means you should understand the business is really required this addition or not. So deep level roots, if you know business, then you can decide which is a good. That's the reason this all client decision will be there, not our decision. Just we will use our account. That's it. So in our case, I am not using any sensitive data for training, right? So I am going with the enterprise edition because if I go with enterprise edition in my case, I'm giving training, right? My credits 400 credits. If I use business critical, my 400 credits will close very fastly because of data sensitive protection, all these features. So enterprise means I can go till 30 days safely without wasting my credits. So credits we are wasting, some means you are wasting your money. That is the meaning. That's the reason client only will take decision. You have to understand the differences. That's it. Okay. Any doubt on this part? I think everyone is unmuted, right? I will allow you. Ask me only about that additions questions because others will get confusion if we go with the different directions of questions. Okay. Any doubt on this question on additions? If you have any other doubts, let me talk later on. Yeah. Thank you, Kumar. Some people are joining a bit late. If you get confusion one more time, watch the recording. Who's joining late? Okay?
Hi,
Yeah.
this is Shivanand here.
Shivanand, tell me.
Yeah, I have joined little bit late, almost 6:30 I have joined.
Okay, I started at 6:20 after only, no need to worry.
Okay, and in
Just
this,
check on.
choose your cloud provider, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Service, Cloud.
I'll come to this part. If you have doubt on addition, let me know. I'll come to this part.
No,
Don't start.
addition part, okay, no issues.
Okay? Okay, fine. Okay, let me complete provider also, guys. Then you can ask combined questions you can. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Now, yeah. So additions, okay, this is the story of additions, okay? Um, okay, fine. Now coming to the provider, see clearly there's a Snowflake runs on top of the cloud platform you have already working with. Okay, so you are already working with that. Give hint also. Go with the client mindset, not our normal thought process. Client, if you are client, already you are a client and you are working with your business with the business data. And before Snowflake, only before Snowflake, we have AWS 2011 around. We got AWS is available around 2011, I think so. After that, 2019. Azure, I think so. Almost came into the market 2016, like something. I don't know exact years, just randomly I'm saying. But Azure, first AWS came into the market, then Azure came into the market, then GCP came into the market. Then Snowflake got the lot of benefits, lot of work, what will say, lot of clients started attracting to the Snowflake generally. Okay. Okay, fine. So so many clients before working with Snowflake only, they already have the connection with any of these three cloud providers. Okay, on their business basis, they will take this choice. Maybe because of their cloud providers, there is many reasons why they are choosing AWS, why they are choosing Azure. Means I cannot say this is the great and this is not normal cloud provider. We cannot compare like that based on the region, based on their on cost related part, their business related, all this will mix and they will already take the decision which cloud provider they want to use. Before Snowflake story, I'm saying. Live about Snowflake. At that time, Snowflake is not there. Okay. So that's the reason they are saying you are already with working with that is mentioned. See, on top, run on the on sorry. Snowflake runs on the top of cloud platform. You are already running working with. Means already if you have, for example, you're like that it is giving. So what is the story behind why we are want to use this cloud providers? What is story is happening is, okay, let me take a simple small information about. Okay, so we have Snowflake account. Snowflake is purely cloud-based data warehouse concept. Purely cloud database only, cloud plus cloud data warehouse. Actually, it's a cloud data warehouse actually. So Snowflake is pure cloud data warehouse. That's fine. When this cloud is coming into the picture, means this cloud data warehouse, nothing but Snowflake is started working. Generally, when this software is coming into the market, when they're designing, they understood to work with the data warehouse concepts, they want data. Am I right? And to work with the data warehouse, to hold the data, they want cloud database. To run the queries, they want cloud data warehouse related credits, compute layer, for example, compute layer. So they want database and they want compute layer. Getting my point? This both is required. Then these people tried different way. Okay, in place of having their own database, cloud database, in place of having their own cloud data compute layer, what they done means let me give a choice to clients only. We will take the rented cloud database and rented compute resources, but where I have to take that rent, client will decide, because that is a good decision I can say. For example, now supermarkets is there. It may be Ratnadeep or Amazon or anything you can take. Ratnadeep or like the supermarkets if you go, what they are doing, they're keeping in small towns also. Okay, they will take the shop and they will keep. Okay, but for their goods related storage, they will take the rented space. Data warehouses will say, sorry, warehouses will say, so that rented houses or places will help them to save their products generally. Whenever it required, they will bring to shop generally. So there they are not immediately when they are keeping the business, immediately they are not focusing to purchase the land in that area. Let me try first business. If it is working, they may plan to buy or they will continue with the rent. But finally, to store their products, they are taking the warehouses, rented warehouses. Like that, Snowflake also, we tried like that only, in place of giving again keeping efforts on ourselves, creating again cloud databases, compute warehouses to execute the queries. Why need to do? Already cloud providers are working in this market. Companies already using that. They have the flexibility. So let me allow the client to choose which cloud provider is out of these three, which cloud provider and which location. If we choose that, companies are taking at the back end rented warehouses. Okay, they're taking completely rented warehouses, rented database. Then Sai Sri, how I know this means, sorry. So they are saying, why need to purchase the same thing? Why need to do same work? Let me take the rented resources from any cloud provider. I mean, from any cloud provider, I'll take the rented resources. But which cloud provider I cannot decide. It's your business where you are comfort have, where you are using Azure or AWS. Which cloud provider you're using, which region. According to that, or if you are not using, based on your project, based on your source location, in that cases, all the combination of cases, client can decide. Client only can decide which area, which location they have to, I mean, the Snowflake have to give the space and Snowflake have to give the compute resources to execute the query. So like that, they design different way. Okay, cloud you are saying, cloud always required, warehouse concepts always required database because it have to store the data. Then only they can do the business analysis. To do the analysis, they want computer resources means EC2 instance, right? Generally, like that, compute resource, virtual warehouse in Azure, like that. resources, virtual warehouses, some machines is required to execute the query. So this both already available with the cloud providers. Why we need to repeat the same work again and again to create this platform? So they created the relationship with these three cloud providers. Whatever a client choosing, according to that, we will make the connection with you and provide us space and compute resources according to the client uses. You can charge from us. Then you will get one more dot. As I see, suppose, for example, suppose you are taking AWS, you are taking Singapore location, for example, means I should know about AWS. I should have AWS account before coming to Snowflake, means 100% wrong. It is giving only chance to select the cloud provider and region. Okay, location, that's it. After that, what is happening, how it is doing the process, how it is managing, how it is paying, what it is paying to the AWS, I don't know anything. We don't have any connection after this creation. Entire responsibility will be taken by the Snowflake only about AWS and all this. Then I want to log in into AWS SaiSri. I already have selected this, means you cannot log in into here. You have to create your separate AWS account. This is not your account. You're giving only information to Snowflake. I want this place. Please reserve space for my data. Please give the credits from my execution queries. That's it. So simple. These two already available in market, right? In place of again recreation, they are taking the rented resources. Simple. I tried my level best. Any questions, guys? Now you can ask me. Any location. If you go to Azure also, you will get the location. Different locations are there. So wherever Azure is there, all that locations are captured here. Here also GCP. Here also AWS. All the locations you can see. So client will decide. If they're already existed in Singapore, for example, they will go to the Singapore location and they will choose. So their AWS account is already available in Singapore. Snowflake is also hosted in the Singapore base. So the business movement all will be costless. Means we are in the same region, right? The flexibility, other so many high level things also they will discuss with Snowflake account team, because Snowflake have company. With them they will think and they will share their information. They will take the decision according to the Snowflake guidance. Client won't take their own decision. They will take the help and inputs from the Snowflake account, or Snowflake company also, because they know benefits, what to do, what not to do. Like that, a lot of discussion will happen before doing sign up. Okay, fine. I'll take small pause here. Yeah, tell me whatever the questions you have. Shivanath, right? Shiva, someone asked me questions on this only. Shiva, are you there?
Hello,
Yeah.
Shivanand.
Shiva.
This Microsoft Azure and Amazon Web Services, there, no cloud
Mm,
service.
mm.
We need to use database save purpose we will use, or what? How it will my question on that time.
We will use for
For
database.
data cloud service is there, no?
Yes.
In Amazon Web Service, is it Redshift? It will comes under what? How it will?
No, nothing will come. Even single Amazon AWS related services you won't see here. Single service, including EC2 instance also. Even S3 bucket also. Backend, Snowflake is taking care. We don't know. It is taking EC2 instance, it is taking S3 bucket. We don't know anything. Just in the front end, we are giving this information, right? If whenever you started loading the data, everything will come under Snowflake only. But backend, it is taking the help rental resources of AWS.
Okay. In trial base, if we want to save any data, means whatever practice files, it will save Microsoft Azure or a web service or a Google Cloud.
You don't have any option to enter into the services.
Okay.
If I log in, generally I completed almost. Just I have to check mark only and I have to get saved. I'll show you the account. You don't have single option to enter. First of all, once you log in, if you are not, for example, you didn't attend for this class, for example, and I give credentials to you to log in. If you log in, you don't know that backend this is working. Backend, we have this all set up. Backend, we have all this setup. That information you don't know. Okay, now you know because you attend our class, right? Generally, I'm saying who didn't attend, if I give this login credentials, they will log in and they will think, okay, I have Snowflake account on. Backend, they don't know what has happened, where they hosted this, all they don't know. Means you can understand, we don't have any authority to enter into that AWS. If you host on AWS, if you host on GCP or other, whatever it may be, wherever you hosted, we don't have any authority to go inside. We don't have option on it to go inside, first of all.
Okay, okay.
I will get activation link also, guys. I'll take 1 minute to get.
Hello.
Tell me. Meanwhile, yeah, tell me.
Yes, Sai Sri, Pratiksha this side.
Yeah.
So how we decide like which cloud we have to select as we have selected AWS? So can is there
Singapore,
any
okay.
randomly we are selecting or is there any for like
Yeah.
requirement purpose?
In my case, actually, I'm from starting of my career, I'm going with AWS with Singapore location generally, Habitat. But in real time, that is not right case. In real time, client will sit with their team and they will decide based on their base location of their project. If suppose US people are there, for example, our client is from US, California, for example. So
Hmm.
that are there means according to that they will select. Not only data center, lot of business related all center, so many things will be included at very very high level. All that makes him to decide he want to create in which location, which cloud provider means general. I'm saying already if they are into cloud providers, based on that they will follow. Already they are working with AWS combination project in their client. I mean for the project they are working with AWS. Maximum chances are there to take AWS only. Same reason also there's a chance to take because they already hosted, right? If the
Mhm.
person don't have any cloud only, they didn't enter into cloud only. In that case, they will go dig lot. They will look at future side also, right? Not one time decision. This is the lifetime. So they will dig more. Suppose they're already available in Azure, then they won't want to break their head more because already their business is hosted on top of Azure means maximum they will take same location.
Okay, okay,
Depend. These all business persons only.
okay,
Not developer. Here you can take anything. I'm just thinking about I'm taking randomly.
okay.
Now, some people will ask me, suppose I don't know anything about Azure SaiSri, you are hosting on Azure, I don't know about anything else. I'm also not Azure developer, I'm also not AWS, I'm not also not GCP developer, I'm not any cloud providers related developer. We are hosting it. First of all, we have to understand, just we are hosting it. We are not developers of cloud provider. One time we will say, this is the reason I am expecting. That's it. That's the only work I am doing. After that, Snowflake will take care about end to end. If you don't know AWS or Azure and GCP, still you can work with Snowflake. One or two concepts you will struggle. Actually, if entire AWS or entire Azure, we no need to learn. 5%, none, I cannot say percentage wise, but generally S3 bucket, rules and policies. This three is enough for AWS purpose. In our project, we will involve S3 bucket, AWS, and this all. That is one topic. Don't compare with this. That's separate topic. Like that, if I take Azure also, I'll take only data factory. That's for our concept purpose. Actually, without Azure, without AWS, entire project I can complete. I can do it without touching any cloud providers personally. Without a single point knowledge also, I can complete. It takes maximum 1 minute.
Hey, Anu?
Please be on the minute. Yeah. So yeah, I got this account. I'm waiting for this activation link actually. See, like this, you'll get the activation link. You have to go to the activation link. Here you have to give the no. I am using this username and password for a long time. So don't give some fancy related passwords. Okay. Lending it will expect 17. So SaiSri at the rate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that I used to give. So just simple username, simple passwords. Okay. If you give different passwords and you'll forget, you create 100 accounts also no problem. Same username passwords you can give. Every account have same username and password. No need to worry on that part also. No, you don't know anything about Snowflake, okay? You didn't attend for account sign up, for example. Now you observe Now, if you observe this account, are you able to see anywhere I'm using AWS? Enter account. Okay, if you want, I'll open the SQL file also. Hello, you will understand this GUI. No need to worry on GUI. Yeah. Now, like this, my account is there. In URL or okay, URL also you can check. Anywhere you are able to understand, I'm using AWS account.
No.
All right. That's the reason I said if I give login and URL and username password, if I give, you cannot say where I hosted this. If you want to understand where I hosted means, go to admin or accounts. Okay, one place. Previously they used to provide here, so they're not providing completely. We don't know. Once we entered into account, here you will understand. I hosted on this cloud and this is here. Okay, that's the reason. Now, if you ask me, SaiSri hosted on AWS and region Singapore, right? Can you open AWS account and show us this connection? Means I don't know what account they are. I don't know about backend what is happening. I only not in real time also. Nobody can do that part. We are only the specifying our requirement. Backend Snowflake is pointing this. Nobody can enter into this point only. Nobody can enter into this region. Inside they cannot enter. They said that one person has Redshift, all this will come into the picture. Redshift not, at least one S3 bucket also won't see in your screen. Without login to AWS account, I can do this work. Entire Snowflake project I can complete. Clear everyone? Any specific doubts, guys? You can ask. See, you ask any doubt, maximum 99.5% I'll try to answer you with clear details. If you don't ask me, I cannot understand. Like I think you'll okay with the topic and I'll continue. Okay, if you have silly doubt also, it's your responsibility to ask. My responsibility to clear.
No doubts.
Thank you. Others who is new to Snowflake, who is new to IT, who is new to cloud, you'll have more doubts. You can ask. And this is today dedicatedly I am doing account creation only. Monday onwards, we will go not only Monday onwards, today onwards, I can say technical class only. So today onwards, one by one, I'll complete the class. After 2 weeks, you will get into one track. After 1 week, minimum 1 week, maximum 2 weeks, you'll get into track and you will settle down with the topics also. In initial 2 to 3 days, struggle will be there. Don't think about that and you don't feel like I cannot learn Snowflake. 100% you can learn the Snowflake. To settle down with this all platform, 2 to 3 days your mind have to adjust. For that you should be ready. Okay. After a week, you won't feel any issue with the Snowflake account or Snowflake topic. I will go slowly only, no need to worry on that. Yeah. Someone Vivek or someone try to ask the question. Vishal. Okay. Then nobody. Okay, no question. Fine. So this is finally our account, guys. Okay. So we will go with this one SQL sheet only. We'll have SQL sheets actually. Python sheets also we will have. Different sheets we have. Python is not for us. Actually, we won't use any Python. If you click here also you'll understand. So Python is not for us. Python is for ML and AI people because these companies are trying to add the A and ML technology also. So Snowpark, AI and ML, who is started working with this, there is for them they design for Python. Python sheets. I have nothing but notebooks. Okay, so you don't think about Python. Zero Python for us. We no need to work on Python. We no need to learn Python first of all. Okay, remove that doubts. SaiSri already we have Python nodes, so I want to learn means 100%. I'm saying we no need to learn any Python. Okay, believe me, you can trust me, no problem.
So we no need to worry on the Python part. Okay. So without Python, then what happened? So you no need to worry about Python in by seeing the Naukri postings or by seeing the LinkedIn or by talking with others. Python is important. Without Python, you won't get job. Please trust me. Don't go with the discussion. Without Python, you'll get the job. Trust me. You can trust me in that part. Actually, I am also not Python developer. I also don't know Python. Still, I am working. I am giving trainings. Okay, successfully, I am doing this many years means you can trust me. Okay, fine. That is fine. And this all options at a time, you no need to break your head. Slowly, every day, we will touch for our topics. Okay. Overview I'm giving. Just go through that. Just leave it. That's it. You don't need to by heart anything. Nobody will ask you question on these icons. Okay. Just for your understanding, what I'm helping you to be helping with this GUI. Okay. So coming to this part, we have projects. Okay, in projects we'll have different. We won't use templates, we won't use packages, we won't use notebooks. This is not our space only. Okay. Okay, we are not going to use anything. Only dashboards if we want we can use. That is also very basic dashboards. In real time we are not using. Okay, if you go to notebooks, here you can see. For example, I'm showing you. See, it's a Python related purpose. They created notebooks. This is also we are not going to use. Okay, we're going only as SQL related. So SQL only we'll use. So like this stream like this we are not using. So this is not our work. We won't touch that part. Only we will go with the workspace to work here. That's it. That's the only area where we have to touch. Okay. After that, data injection means for data loading purpose, we will use this option. Once the data is loaded to see the history, how it is happened, we will use lot of GUI, not lot of, some level, 30% they try to change the GUI. GUI changes will happen always, but same topics, icons, design, the web UI design that people are changing actually. Okay, no need to YouTube videos. If you see, for example, or my old classes, you observe that GUI and this GUI is different because already one current batch is happening. For them, 50% I went with the old GUI, 50% I went with the new GUI. So suddenly this month starting or last month ending, somewhere around somewhere the GUI was changed. So recent change only. You no need to worry. You no need to worry about your account. Same to same design was changed. Okay. So we will go with this injection. We will use these two options only. Transformations we use they are adding some more additional things. We will can see dynamic table task. This all we will touch. This is not our zone. You can ignore this option only. Okay, this is for history purpose to understand how the queries are running, what is the errors, what is the success. All this we will go through this only. Okay, so like this GUI started, I mean few changes has happened. So those changes for purpose you no need to break your head. Don't compare with anything. Okay, I'm there to help you end to end. I will help you. And databases. See, databases. If you go to databases, you can see here all the. Right now, I don't have any databases, but I can create the database. I can create the table, views. This all I can go. Let me show you here simple way. Yeah. See, this is databases. This is not my database shared by someone, some free trial account, right? If I create database, for example, just a test I'm creating for your understanding. Within day, don't expect you should be pro. Relax, sit calm, okay? So schemas, and inside of database schema, inside of schema, you'll have, see, inside of schema, you will have different types of objects, tables, dynamic views, stages, file format. This all will be available. Okay, I am going to take care about all the topics. You don't need to worry again. Okay, this all we are going to do. So our development work is starts from database schema and this objects only. That is the major work we will do as a developer. Okay, and this is data sharing concept. This is admin work. This is also admin work. This is also admin work. Billing, all this will come to admin work. Okay. So GUI, a lot changes happen. Don't compare again and again. I'm saying don't compare with your other GUIs because that's a old, this is the new. Okay. So here we will write the query. Any query if you want, you can write here. Okay. You have database here, right? Sample database. If you create, you will also get the sample databases. Okay. You can run here. Okay? Like this, you'll get the data. If you want this data set for your local system, for example, you can download here through download button. Okay. But 30 days after, you cannot open this account. It will turn like a paid account. If you pay only, it will open. So if any important data sets is there means you can do download. Okay, you can download and you can keep. Now they additionally they added a get AI suggestion also. This is newly happened actually. They're making our life easy. Write me query for like this something. Recently we got, okay, don't expect this much. They started giving this option. I'm not sure how many days it will be there or permanently they're going to keep. We don't know. Let's see. Something just I'm trying. We are not doing in real time. We are understanding. So AI suggestions like that. They started creating some more. Yeah. Okay. I want to switch to something. Okay, I don't want to go with any paid thing. They started giving. Let us see how it works in future. Okay, but right now we are not going to this. We are not going to use this like a GUI all this. We're going to create our own queries by ourselves only. Okay, just I try to explore this. Yeah. It is asking some connections and some configurations. Oh, that's fine. I think that's a paid purpose. Okay, fine. So they started like this lot of things they are trying to AI related, ML related, like charge, like same like ChatGPT related, like this they are implementing. This is the extra help they are doing. Okay, but that is not our zone. You don't depend on this kind of zone. Okay, in interviews nobody will allow you to do this work. Okay, if they enable also for free trials, we don't get chance to work with AI and ChatGPT and we cannot say answers, right? So leave about that apart, okay? Just suggestion they started. Let us see in future it will be there or not also, we are not sure. Okay, fine. Coming out from that, so yeah, what I'm saying. So this is the sample databases and schemas, guys. Tables also we have for just you can do you can read the data. You cannot do more than that. Just you can read the data and you can check the output. That's it. Read is nothing but select. Select query is nothing but read option only. So select our from table name like that we can do. More than that we cannot perform anything. Okay. So this is one part. I will explain you what is database, what is all this. I'll explain you. If I rush now, people will get confusion also. Okay. Apart from this, any questions? Whatever I explained. Two people asked me, requested me different issues. I don't want to take names, but as per your request, I cannot explain in Telugu. If I explain in Telugu language, you won't able to explain the answers properly in interviews. So I'm already talking plain English, very basic and very plain English. Okay, because others I cannot go with pure technical. Others may suffer. That's the reason pure plain English, pure normal English I'm speaking. So please try to follow me because in interviews you have to speak in English, right? If I start as talking in Telugu means I can talk really in Telugu. Problem is in real time interviews time you will suffer a lot. That is the reason. Please excuse me in this point. Okay, if you will struggle now, but coming up classes you will be settled down. Struggle is better than doing that wrong step. Okay. Uh, okay. Jashvita, you are asking about high level picture, right? Project, see, project, don't focus straight forward with the project, okay? Project one, suppose if I go with one project, the project design will be different. Another company or another project, if you shift, that design will be different. Here you do not focus on project right now. For few days, you should not focus on project. You have to focus on the technical, tech Snowflake related topics. Okay, but still I am giving just one high level picture. This project means we will have source. Okay, that source data we have to do analysis. Analysis means how the business ran, what is the amount we received today, what is the purchasing happen, what is the returns happen, like that all this discussion will happen, right? That with the help of Snowflake analysis, we will work with that data and we will get the analysis. That analysis will move into, I mean the data will move into Power BI, any BI tools we will use. So this is giving the data. This is preparing our data in a proper structure for analysis purpose. This is helping us to give the reports for the clients to understand in a high level. So Snowflake is coming in the middle to handle the data. Okay. Clear? For every project, Snowflake will do that job only. So that helps you to, I mean, just overview like that I provided. But in real time, we have to understand with project to project, the way of project design will be different. Okay. Is it fine, Yashvita? First of all of you comfort with my flow and my voice, everything. If anybody are not comfort, also let me know. I am not expecting everyone to say yes. I'm okay to hear no also. Any specific question? Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your reply, guys. Yeah. Nagraj, any question? Thank you. Thank you everyone who replied me.
Sai Sri, able to hear me?
Oh, sorry.
Able to hear me, right?
Can you speak a bit loud?
Now you're able to hear me?
I'm able to hear. Okay, tell me.
Yeah. So I have a question on that Snowflake edition.
Oh, okay.
So the standard edition will be having certain features, and the enterprise also will be having certain features along with standard, right? So
right.
we are selecting the enterprise edition. So in the business critical, we have some more features along with the enterprise and standard, like enhanced security, data protection, and database follower and follow-up back.
Yes.
So those features also you will be covering because as we have selected enterprise edition, so these features will be missing in that enterprise, right? So will you be able to cover those things as
Okay. Okay. Good question. Actually, they are that is not separate concepts. They are, I mean, as a data protection, all this they're saying, right? It's a one of the option, I mean, one of the feature they enable to handle the data. Nothing to do from our side. Security purpose, right? At the back end, that feature is added as a developers or admin team, nothing to do from our side. If you take business critical, that feature will be enabled, cost also will be added.
okay? You are saying that it will be not handled from our end, right?
Nothing, even admin also no need to do anything. Not only.
Yeah.
They're enabling the feature for business critical, right? So cost they will increase. That's it.
Okay.
Same to same. Remaining, if you, for example, you don't sign up to enterprise, for example, when you're sign up, try with the business critical, you don't see any difference with my account and your account.
Okay.
But if you go with standard edition, you cannot use metallage, use all this, right? There you'll see the difference. That's
yeah,
it.
got it. Yeah.
Thank you.
And one more thing, so the client will be selecting the edition as well as the cloud platforms, right?
Yeah.
So like a region also, like they will be selecting or we should be able to select the regions.
We don't have authority to do anything. One
Oh.
time, whenever account sign up is coming, that part completely is client decisions only.
Okay, okay.
One time work again.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, if you join in that company, as a user, you will add into that account. One
Okay.
account, multiple users.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Any other question, guys? If you don't are not comfort to ask questions in English, you want Telugu, you can ask, but I will reply in English, okay? For your career purpose only, I'm saying I cannot talk in Telugu. Please try to understand. You ask me in Telugu, I will reply in English. At least you will get habituated to talk in English slowly. That's the reason.
Sai Sri, this is
Yeah.
Gnaneshwar.
Yeah.
I have one doubt. So we have other databases like Oracle. We have for data manipulation or data maintenance.
Mm.
So what is the difference between Snowflake and the? Is there any specific reason to use this Snowflake?
Yeah, it is there. First of all, if you go with Oracle only, for example, Oracle actually is a traditional base, right? We have to go with the server setup. We have to go with the admin setup. We have to do some manual work, and we need our even system configuration like this. Multiple traditional process we are following. When lockdown, clearly I'm saying, when lockdown is came into the market before 2019 time, then companies realized because they cannot ask or force us to come to office, right? We started going work from home. They realized, so many companies realized with the traditional we cannot handle the situation. Then cloud market increased very huge, very high level. If you see 2019 to 2021 reports, cloud market mainly increased at the time of lockdown. Why they focused on cloud means without any on-site, I mean without going to office, not only office, without going to that particular location, without on premises mainly, we are able to handle these technologies or this platform anywhere from in the world. Just they want laptop and internet. If you check Snowflake, generally if you join in any company, generally any projects like that, we will talk about configuration. Your laptop should be with this configuration. Then only it will support, like that discussion will happen, right? Snowflake, I didn't say that all because it's purely cloud platform with web-based logins we are doing. So end-to-end cloud maintenance only. Because of that, manual dependency was reduced in the any time, any I mean in coming up days also. Completely, we can work within our location without any admin related support or server physical server support. This makes company to take decision for future use with cloud. There only lockdown only made Snowflake to have, I mean, use in with more companies. Lockdown changes Snowflake fate, I can say.
Okay.
Okay. Before
And
lockdown, frankly, I'm saying nobody knows Snowflake. Not only actually, not employees. I'm not talking employees. HR people also don't know Snowflake keyword. If we ask also, they used to say we don't know what is that. To now, even college people also know about Snowflake. You can see within 5 years, a lot of huge response we got with the Snowflake. So, cloud. Finally, companies decided let our business should be in the cloud, not on premises. That makes the companies to change their flow.
okay.
So, tell me something else.
And so can't we connect from SQL developer or third party tool to Snowflake?
100 plus sources you can connect with Snowflake. 100 plus, I'm saying. In that
Okay.
databases, web applications, cloud providers, anything, local drives, anything you can, SharePoint, service accounts. If I go like this, so many are there, 100 plus it is supporting. Some have already connectors. MySQL servers like that already have connectors. Some can connect with the first MySQL server, connect with AWS to Snowflake like that. Some are web-based application, REST APIs. Like this, so many ways are there to connect with Snowflake. Not one or two. ODBC, JDBC connections also previously they used to use.
Okay.
So
Thank you. Got
to
it.
say Generally, guys, in market to say, if you want to say no for Snowflake and I want to go with other cloud warehouses, data warehouse, I'm talking about those technologies only. Client is not having much negative points to say, I don't want Snowflake, I'll go with other cloud data warehouse. The points are very, very, very less. I didn't think nobody will reject the Snowflake. Why I'm saying this confidently means with practical observation, I'm saying Redshift, they're migrating to Snowflake. Redshift projects now moving to Snowflake. Already Redshift is a cloud only, AWS that is also. Still they are moving because flexibility is there with Snowflake comparing to the designing, architecture support. So many things we can say. Not only that, easy to use. Developers are literally enjoying the interface. They don't need to do PhD for this. Not only that, Informatica IACS, that is also cloud platform. Still there are migrations happening, Informatica to Snowflake. So without benefit, client never spend 1 rupee also on us or on technology. So no need to worry on your careers, guys. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? Any other questions? So Monday onwards, we will have classes, guys, regular classes. All the details will be posted by admin team. If you're not added in your in the WhatsApp group, make a call or at least post them, WhatsApp them your message. They will add in the group. So through the group only, I will communicate with you, even me or admin also. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah.
So for installing this trial account, we need to install it by ourselves, or they are
No need of
providing.
no installation option. Only sign up.
Okay.
I done right. Web link also I posted it generally.
Mhm.
It will make you to go to the web browser page. Just log in. No installations.
Okay, okay, sure.
Okay, I'll ask my team to post the material also. You can follow that.
Okay, fine. Thanks.
Other questions? Shiva, if you are talking, I'm unable to hear you. Okay. Okay, I hope everyone is comfort with my flow, voice, everything. Still, you can observe 2 to 3 classes. If you're not feeling anywhere comfort zone or not able to understand anything, guys, frankly, if you ask me, frankly, I can resolve the issues. So you can communicate with me daily, every day. So today is the first class, Sai Sri is speaking and giving time to ask the questions. Not like that. You randomly go with my previous class, any class you can pick randomly. You can check there without closing students' doubts. I never end the session. 99.5% I never 5.5% maybe any power issue like that I may end, or else I won't end. So every day you can expect this chance to ask the questions, every topic. If you ask me there itself, no problem. After practicing, after 2 days I'm coming, you are coming back and asking on previous classes doubts also, no problem. My intention is you should be comfort with the classes and you should be ready to learn the topics. That's it. Okay. So I'm expecting this. Please join on time. If you join on time, I will also start the class on time. So from Monday onwards, follow the admin instructions and join on time. Okay? Clear?
So I tried to join from Raj Technologies website, but there was no link for live session, and I tried to join, but no one was there in that call. But then I joined from Zoom application.
You have their number, right? On the website, there you'll have number actually. Their WhatsApp number or phone number like that.
Yes.
You can ping any issues they will resolve. They will ask you to install one software also. Every points, every step related issues they will resolve for you.
Okay.
Okay,
Sure.
because
Yeah.
they're only handling that all the part. That's the reason. Technically, I will handle, but this kind of
Okay.
issues, even anyone not able to get the materials, access issue, link issue, join anything else, please connect admin team. 100% they will resolve your issues. They won't take much time also.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Because I'm observing few people are joining and leaving the session. Maybe if you have any audio issue, that also anything, if you are continuously facing the audio issue, you can do. Avinash, yeah, I'm expecting you to everyone before coming to the class, you can create the account. Okay, now itself I'm not expecting this Saturday, Sunday you have time, right? Any one day, please take time and 5 minutes to 5 minutes maximum it will take. Create the account. Okay. Kumar, you're asking about deep level of technical question. I mean, when I'm explaining the concepts, I'll come into that background. How Snowflake is working, how is executing the queries. So all this I'll explain. If I explain also, maximum people won't understand what I'm talking now without any background knowledge. Okay. I'll explain you. Completely, I'll explain you how Snowflake is working. Okay. Few things I cannot do right now because we don't have any background, right? That's the reason, guys. Okay, fine. So who didn't attend, shared your WhatsApp numbers, all this, please connect with the admin team and completely resolve all your issues. Monday onwards, we have class, timings, link, how to join. All this is guided by admin team. Okay. Who are okay and who is already shared your phone number. I mean, if you already shared your numbers, you can leave for the day. See you on Monday with fresh and new information. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Day one, right? I'm not going deep level of technical information. Slowly. Let us go slowly. Okay. Any questions, anything you want to speak, you can stay, or else you can leave.
Thank you, Sri.
Yeah? You just now joined or already?
No. Rejoined actually.
Rejoined. Okay. Yeah. Any question?
No, I'm good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone, guys? If you have question, you can stay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you. Still people are there. Do you have any questions or queries, guys? Let me know. Yeah, Kumi.